They say the state of your space reflects your mind, and looking at the state of this space, we go to get cleaning. So today's going to be a little bit of a different video because I'm going to take you guys through my reset routine that I usually do on a Sunday, even though today's Tuesday. But I started doing it at the start of the year, and it's really been a massive help in helping me prepare for the week ahead and just really get stuff together. So today we're going to be deep cleaning my room. I'm going to be deep cleaning my room. I do aim to do my Sunday reset every single week, but last week I forgot. I was just so busy, so the mess has kind of piled up a bit. But today we're going to change all that, and I'm talking every bit of dust. She's going to be gone by the time I'm done. Honestly, I don't know how I survived before I started doing Sunday reset. Actually, take that back, I barely survived. But no more, that Sophie is in the past, and she is not coming back. Except last week. Last week she came to visit. But life's just been so busy recently. I've been working non-stop. My stress acne is coming back, which is not ideal. Even though I think it often, I barely ever say it, but it's time to get our life together. I always like to listen to music when I'm cleaning. I just feel like it makes it a whole lot more fun and it motivates me to keep going. And I always find that I clean faster when I'm listening to music. I don't talk about this much, but as a neurodiverse girly, sometimes I can get really overwhelmed by tasks or situations that most people would find are pretty straightforward. I feel like because I go to the gym consistently, people just assume that I have my entire life together. But that could not be further from the truth. I honestly really struggle to do tasks that other people might find simple, especially if it's like a bit of a bigger job or it involves more than one stage to it. But that's why for me, Sunday resets have just become so helpful because I'm not having to do an entire deep clean every single week, and except this week because I forgot to do it last week. But in general, it means that I don't have to stress so much because I've got so much to clean. But as someone who can get overwhelmed pretty easily, it is helpful to have like additional strategies to help with that. And I saw this post which is actually pretty helpful, so I'll put a little screenshot of it on screen now. It just helped break down some actionable steps you can take when you're feeling overwhelmed and sort of help kickstart you to get going again. I'm not sure if you're also someone who struggles with that, but just in case you do, I thought it might be helpful because it helped me. But let me know. Not gonna lie, I've been procrastinating for the last 20 minutes, so we need to get back to it. Just focus on me, babe. 말했잖아 내가 우리들의 이야기지 않아 망설이지 마. You know what to do and you know what to say. 누가 뭐래도 I always be with you, babe. 지금처럼 우리 서로 들여다볼. 미뤄가던 너의 마음속에 갇혀버렸나. I just have something I want you to know. 주위 말들이 나 어지럽게 해도 Let's do another love song, baby. We can find a love. Oh, did you love us all? Just want to know. So I just wanna say thank you. You won't believe this, but when I was doing my Sunday reset last week, I was cleaning the windows, but the outside of the windows, and I dropped the cloth out of the window. It fell in the gutter, and I had to get the ladder out and go get it out the gutter. It's kind of scared me off from cleaning the outside of my windows, I'm not gonna lie. It was right there. That's where it was. We are getting somewhere. This already looks 100 times better than it did before I started cleaning, which I guess was the whole point. But I also need to go to the gym today, and it's leg day. I honestly don't know if I have the energy. Yeah, the thing about the gym is, or at least leg day, I always procrastinate getting ready for the gym and put off going to the gym. But when I'm there, I enjoy it. I love the workout. And afterwards, I feel really, really great. It's just getting my butt out the door in the first place. It can be a struggle sometimes.
Algo puro y sincero con formalidad. Ella puso un casting para los que valoran. Si no es seguro, pues no se enamora. Porque la cagó una vez, pero no otra vez. Cero drama y estrés, ella quiere. Ella puso un casting para los que valoran. Si no es seguro, pues no se enamora. Porque la cagó una vez, pero no otra vez. Cero drama y estrés, ella quiere. Quiere que la partan como parto pista. Que la traten cual modelo de revista. Y un caballero pero no de amistad. Y que si no le sirve pues baby hasta la vista. Es que solo con la mirada se le ve todo el corazón. Pero es una niña mala, si hablamos de diversión. Quiere que bajen la luna y le canten una canción. Quiero amor de cuento de hadas.
Just finished having dinner and I found out that my bedding isn't actually dry yet, so I had to put it in the tumble dryer. But another thing I do as part of my weekly Sunday reset is a little bit of a longer journaling session. I just find that this really helps me get anything out of my head that's sort of going around in my head and taking up space. I also feel like I journal slightly differently to most people because I like to write down my prayers in my journal as well. So like the whole page is not pretty, it's not aesthetic at all. Since I've been doing it consistently since the start of this year, it's really helped me build some self-awareness. I used to have zero self-awareness. So now that I've been working on that, it's helped me recognize areas of my life that I can improve on or things that I can be thankful for, because honestly, there's so much we can be thankful for, but most of the time we just take a lot of things for granted. So journaling really helps me with that. Every morning I write down 3 things that I'm thankful for, and it really sets my day up well. I guess it sort of sets the tone for the day. I don't know about you, but I would much rather go into my day feeling thankful that the sun rose this morning or the heating's working, rather than going into my day all moody because it's raining outside. I mean, rain's essential. If there wasn't any rain, we wouldn't have anything to drink, there wouldn't be any plants, there wouldn't be any food. So even if there's some things that we feel like on a surface level are kind of negative, like, oh, it's raining, if you just take a second to stop and think about it, then those things might actually be things that we can be thankful for. Last year, I sort of fell off reading my Bible consistently. I was doing like a daily devotional, but it only had 1 verse at the top of each morning's little section. This year, I've made it my mission to actually commit to reading my Bible regularly. It's crazy how in just over a month of reading my Bible consistently, now I actually want to and I actually enjoy it again. Okay, so if you've made it this far, I just want to say a massive, massive thank you, because it's people like you who allow me to keep making content like this. Without you, I would literally not be doing this right now. Hope you found my Sunday reset routine kind of helpful to give you some inspiration for your own routine, but also let me know what you like. Do you do a Sunday reset already? What kind of things do you do? Because I'm always learning, I'm always growing as a person, and the people in the comments would also benefit from us sharing our tips and our tricks and stuff like that. And we don't gatekeep here, so drop a little comment. I also replied to all my comments, so go and check. And also let me know if you like these vlog style videos, because I enjoy making them. I just don't know if anyone enjoys watching them. If you did enjoy it, please let me know. It would be much appreciated. And subscribe. I'll post a whole walkthrough of today's workout in next week's YouTube video, so stay tuned for that. But if you want to see some more, like, I'm currently doing a series of my full week of workouts, so if you're needing some more workout inspiration or you just want to switch your routine up a bit, then you can check out this playlist next. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you there.